Smart garage door openers, just like you can have all of your lights on an app for your home, you can now do the same thing with your garage door. You can link them together. The safety, the security, the cameras, security lights, everything can all be combined. It's amazing.
Yeah, that is really, really cool. So, basically you can close your garage door and even lock it without having to be home, right? Through all of these.
Yeah, it even logs when the door has been opened or closed.
Oh my gosh, I love it.